What if I told you that building wealth doesn't have to involve risky bets, perfect timing, or an enormous income? Many people think wealth comes from big moves like buying hot stocks or starting a business. However, many wealthy individuals build their fortunes slowly and steadily with minimal risk. They focus on protecting their money, investing wisely, and letting time and discipline grow their wealth. It's about making smart choices and letting your money work for you. In this video, we'll explore 8 smart ways to build wealth without taking big risks. These are easy-to-understand strategies anyone can start using today. Let's get started. 1. Use systematic automation. Imagine this. You've decided to save money, but instead of waiting until the end of the month to figure out what's left over, you make it automatic. That's the power of systematic automation. Let's face it, most of us have good intentions to save. But too often, life gets in the way. Bills, groceries, and random expenses pop up, and by the time the month is over, saving just doesn't happen. The trick is to set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment accounts. Whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, it doesn't matter. Just let it happen automatically. This takes the guesswork and the emotion out of saving. You don't need to debate with yourself about how much to save. It just happens. This is what we call paying yourself first. By making saving automatic, you remove the need for willpower. You don't need to remember to do it, and you don't have to feel bad when you don't. It just gets done consistently, and this builds wealth over time. 2. Certificates of deposit CDs. Next up, certificates of deposit or CDs. If you're looking for a safe, low-risk way to grow your money, CDs can be a great option. Here's how they work. You lock your money in the bank for a fixed period of time, and in return, you earn interest. The rate is guaranteed, so you know exactly what you're getting. The catch? You can't access your money until the term is up, or you'll face a penalty. But for those who don't need quick access to their cash, CDs offer a predictable way to grow your savings. And if you want to get creative, you can build a CD ladder, where you stagger the maturity dates of your CDs to give you regular access to your money. CDs are perfect for saving for short-term goals, like a vacation, a new car, or a wedding that you don't want to risk with volatile investments. Sure, they won't make you rich overnight, but they are low-risk, safe, and steady. The benefit of a CD ladder is that you can enjoy higher interest rates while still having access to portions of your money at different intervals. You won't be forced to wait until the very end of the term to access all your savings. 3. Maximize retirement matches. Retirement plans are one of the easiest ways to build wealth, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. If you're not taking advantage of it, you're missing out on free money. Here's how it works. You contribute a portion of your income to your retirement account, and your employer matches your contribution up to a certain amount. This is essentially free money being added to your account. For example, let's say your employer matches 50% of your contribution. If you contribute $100, they'll add $50. That's $150 in your retirement fund, just by contributing $100 of your own. Imagine that happening every month for years. This really adds up over time. Retirement accounts offer tax advantages that help your money grow faster than a regular savings account. By maximizing your employer's match, you're getting the best return with no extra risk. Even small contributions can lead to long-term success. Just remember to leave that money untouched until retirement, and starting early will let compound growth work its magic over time. 4. Government and corporate bonds. If you're someone who likes stability and predictability, government and corporate bonds might be right for you. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or a corporation, and in return, they pay you interest. Government bonds, such as U.S. Treasuries, are among the safest investments out there because they're backed by the government's full faith and credit. Corporate bonds, on the other hand, are issued by companies and can offer higher returns, but they also come with more risk. Bonds offer steady income and stability, making them a solid foundation for your portfolio. While stocks can be unpredictable, bonds help reduce risk while still providing returns. Many bonds pay regular interest, which can be reinvested for long-term growth. Government bonds are safe but offer lower returns, so balancing them with corporate bonds can boost yield potential. 5. Real estate investment trusts (REITs). Real estate is one of the most effective ways to build wealth, but let's be honest, buying property can be expensive and a lot of work. That's where real estate investment trusts (REITs) come in. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. Instead of buying a building, you buy shares in a company that owns and manages real estate. These companies typically focus on income-producing properties like apartments, shopping centers, and office buildings. The great thing about REITs is that they allow you to invest in real estate without all the headaches, no property management, no dealing with tenants, no repairs. Plus, many REITs pay dividends, giving you an ongoing income stream. REITs are a great way to diversify your portfolio and add a steady income source without the hassles of direct property ownership. 6. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are another fantastic way to build wealth without taking on too much risk. When you buy shares in dividend-paying companies, you're not just hoping the stock price goes up, you're also receiving regular dividend payments. These payments are a portion of the company's profits, paid out to shareholders. Here's the key: reinvest those dividends. Instead of cashing out the payments, you buy more shares, which will earn you even more dividends down the line. Over time, this can create a snowball effect where your investment grows faster than if you simply relied on price appreciation. Dividends are a great way to earn passive income while also benefiting from long-term capital gains. 7. Low-cost index funds and ETFs. When it comes to building wealth without taking big risks, low-cost index funds and ETFs are a top choice. Index funds track entire market indexes, like the S&P 500, which includes 500 large, established companies. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you invest in a broad basket of companies. This offers immediate diversification, which reduces risk. ETFs work similarly, but can track various indexes, sectors, or even bonds. The best part? They come with low fees, which means more of your money stays invested. Index funds and ETFs are a simple, powerful way to invest for long-term growth. You don't need to be an expert. Just choose a low-cost fund and start investing. The key is consistency. By making regular contributions, you can smooth out the ups and downs of the market and steadily grow your wealth without worrying about short-term fluctuations. 8. High-yield savings accounts. The number one way to build wealth without taking big risks is to start with a high-yield savings account. It may sound simple, but it works. A high-yield savings account pays you a better interest rate than traditional savings accounts, which helps your money grow without any risk from a market. These accounts are a safe place to park your money while still earning interest. Plus, because they're insured by the FDIC in the US, you're guaranteed protection up to a certain amount. High-yield savings accounts won't make you rich overnight, but they're great for building an emergency fund or saving for short-term goals. They offer better growth than regular savings accounts with minimal risk, while providing easy access to your money when needed. Unlike long-term investments that may require selling at the wrong time, these accounts offer both safety and liquidity, giving you peace of mind during uncertain times. And there you have it, the top 8 smart ways to build wealth without taking big risks. The key to building lasting wealth is consistency, smart decisions, and a long-term mindset. Whether it's automating your savings, using bonds for stability, or investing in low-cost index funds, these methods allow you to grow your wealth gradually, without unnecessary risk. Which of these strategies do you think is the best? Tell me in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical ways to build your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.